kathar down yeah kathar down có đặt cái xong rồi hả đây rồi ra rồi yeah kathar down yeah kathar down yeah kathar go back yeah kathar move the back yeah kathar move the back này về ninh oi này là số alam kaning chi bol pe jai kathar hendo ninia prang Philippine mir jeng pathuak pamalong alang kaning chi tribal areas along le nadak bangke karbiang long ke sepu karbiang long pe la so apor bangke ning je pik ning oi pik ke jai kathar long si karbi kali pote ladak pen kathui noi karbiang long pe dodi dan noi dimaso pe dodi dan noi Keceng sialama bangke ilitum Chinang 17 November 1951 asingkana bangsi United Bikir Hills Pen United North Kachar Hills apan ituman Sorkar atum ituman Bharat Sorkar Assam Sorkar ituman district Pilo 1970 ingkana bangke United Bikir Hills apan ke United North Kachar Hills apang lapupu itum Cikak lo Cikak mana district kaprek tum cesak lo laso pen 14 October 1976 ke Ili tum ke Mikir Hills Polopen District Karbiang District Council punang mantang elo. Lasu posi non ke ningkan plikep nang elo Karbiang District Council 1996 June April 1 men ke tum ke Karbiang Thomas Council pulo Karbiang pusi nang citok bedok Karbiang khai sangdel ili tum kaddo kawita. Lasi ladake Karbiang le kali pualang ki pu bangke ki chok chip pik lo lapen ke kahinun nailo. Alang laso ablam kaning je bangki karbia khai phan kilang ponji kali kaching hon ponji phan kali alang like politics claim i kadok kabe tribal area tribal khai tuma an pata lang ponute ladak bangke chokpo ne vote long ipo po non nang ke leji MEC election long pusalang chimatha laso alam posi litum kaning je lapen ke hini alam litum kadok kabe ta itum chini nang je karbiang long pe di mahaso la bangke ladake Tribals po bongta ladak bangke Sidul Trap Hills ladake Sidul Trap Hills naga ang bongta ladake hutna yok tunlong ji ladak longli nang long dunji ke lake rengma khai chot kukia tumta singasolong ke do pan wa kukia kote injira tum latum sen do chot po Manipur pe non ke bang tum sidak nang long dunji puke long lilo lake hana tu ke tribal lo hok lo semera tu ke Sidul Trap Hills kali ASDC kali lake hala tuma tribal la kaprek hala tumke Mizo tuma tribal lo semela kali tuma longa tribal kali tuke STH kali laso posi mani lo tha phan to mane au phan tang ho kumane naga phan bansi ladak pado po Sidul Trap Hills simar lapji long lip PG puke lake ASDC Fornt KSA ke nitum ke komentu ni tak koi ke lapen ke condemn bomji lapen jai kathar pan dak pan plung deki laso na decision to people te lapen kado vedan chidonu nan tekpu si mathalo naga tum phansi lada rengma naga pen kaprek phansi lada karbiang long jong phalong kido bolang sulong kido rengma naga atupen kaprek anaga phansi dak long leki PG Sidul Trap Hills saja kong ladak ki PG ke hello big lo han bos dia long duduk kulini long lengria long tu o naga man ke election je ke claim nai non ke ladak ke naga tum long bang mi thang long along li dolo nagaland dolo hat tum ke ala to mi thang long li dolo naga tum dolo mane kuki tum ho dak mane pulong dolo dak ko an ma ke dolo ke choko hada ke do tumana dak padona handa ladak ke nanji pukeni tege kroy kelo kroy rek chelo ako kado be akar bi na kroy ke lake muthe alang li phan thek serbon puki ma thai joine si alang li phan ke kroy chot apen gon ga ni dok bang ta velo alang li phan ke lasi naga pong tame rengma naga ladak ili tum long ke do rengma tum kwan ma ke do non rengma kulini long kwan ma ke do phemika rengma tum ben chenglok resul rengma tum ben chenglok laso rengma choi kaprek rengma kali kaprek naga kali naga mongta tribal lambong ta kunane mizu tu masih banji mania ni manipuri tu masih banji ke ladak ke kroy kilo ladak si long le ki pek jip ke hello pik ram lo ke dak pe si plum ko don khan bosti lo election tang telang aning kan sika election claim lo je ka thum kroy dun de laso ke kroy dun de bangke alang ke tribal hian dak kaprek lang hala dang chini dek nai kupia constitution ke thek lo ni li je ka thar ban thekgu puli ta basic alam ke alang chini nei ladak ke Sidul Trap Hills panchot ladak ke bolam bangke Ladak di masa dopo, ladak karbi dopo, singa solong dok kidum dopo, ladak garolong hala hai duk itum long long, nona pelilong, bocah langsung dung long do garo tum ha dopo, la hai to rong khang long do, la hai garo jopu, garo tak kapre garo golilo, la so pansi ladak banji puken ilitum ke kroy tek kilo, la pen ker kop pacelo, khan pon le thotlo, ladak ke ilitum ke Karbi Anglong District Autonomous Council chot, ilitum ajak kong ke. Lasi ho Germany adek song ching Charlie dun tang ho England son France song Charlie dun to Syria pen tuma keng pen dam po hadak si relief camp ke dodam rono joini tang ho komane Iraq pen hadak dam po tha Afghanistan hadak dam po tang ho hadak si dodam tang ho pu son son ke Charlie dun nang ne ilitum kroy ilitum ningje pinang la bangke non ron ju je pinlang sung do olo aduk do olo Manipur lo do kuki pen chenglo kapre khai don ta hadak si relief ke pinang po hadak si camp padonang po hadak si kado ke chuyun kado pen relief camp po hadak si pinang po hadak tuman dake ban po gen ditenge kroy don dek take mentunita halan lo. This is, I repeat again, on behalf of the ASDC Youth Front, ASDC, KSA and KNCA, that by no means met on the EDA Mirjeng playground at HDP in regards to stating that this is the land of not Karbi but the land of tribal areas, all the tribal we cannot include here. My dear brothers from Manipuri, my dear Naga brothers, my dear Garo brothers, Kukis brothers who are living in Manipur, who are living in Meghalaya, who are living in Nagaland, we cannot bring you all here as Sidul Tribe Hills. We have categorized tribal and Sidul Tribe Hills tribal. There are two types. They are the tribals, but not Sidul Tribe Hills tribal. Therefore, Jekathar's statement stating that Karbi Anglong is not meant for Karbi, but for all the tribal, this cannot be accepted. In maybe 100 years or 1,000 years also, ASDC, KSA, KNCA, ASDC Front is not to be accepted. Jekathar is not leading the people on the right track. He is leading the people on the way to war by trying to get votes in the ensuing MEC election, which is going to take place in 2007. If he invites those Lothar Nagas, those Ao Nagas, and asking them to settle there in Lahorian, Legerian areas, Khan Basti and Dudukulini, that forget about giving land for them to them. They are to evict by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the rest of the people living in Karbi Anglong, Sidul Tribe Hills from those Nagas living there. We will continue to make friends with them. We will continue to make business with them. We will continue to go to Dimapur. They will continue to come to Karbi Anglong. But giving them land and Sidul Tribe Hills status to them, this cannot accept. That is the reason that ASDC, KSA, KNCA has been consistently standing against the Buru Accord, close H, which we call. The Buru demand that the Burus living in Karbi Anglong have to be accorded as, have to be given as Sidul Tribe Hills tribe status. But we are not agreeing to that 2003 accord made by the Buru. We are still against that. Therefore, we are not against the Buru, our friends, but the status, the rights and privilege of the Sidul Tribe Hills, that cannot be given to them. This is what we want to say. We will continue to make friends. We will continue to play football together with the Baburos. We will continue to play cricket together with the Nagas, but not land here for them. No land here for them, not an inch of land for them. And we are not going to seek any land to Naga. 5,000 of the youths of Karbi will go to Nagaland and give 500 bighas of land. We are not going to say that to the Nagas there in Nagaland. 1,000 of youths, Karbi youths will go to Boro and give Boroland, BTAD, and give us 1,000 bighas of land. We are not going to say that. Let them live them peacefully, the Nagas brothers. Let the Boro brothers live peacefully there in Boroland. We are not going to disturb them. We have no rights to get anything from them, and they don't have the rights to get anything here. And Jekathar, they must aware of the fact that Jekathar is a man of trying to lead people in a different and a wrong way. If those Naga brothers continue to believe him as a leader, as a visionary leader, they will lose somewhere in the road on the way. Therefore, we request that please stop joining Jay Kathar's party HPCLC. And if Jay Kathar's statement of saying that this is tribal land, not Karbi land, is totally the biggest and the biggest error that he made in 2024. He is a man of making false statement consistently since making his party. Secondly, we want to say that the last 3, 4, 5 days, people have been pointing each other, and this is very correct, all because of Jay Kathar. The problems facing there in Manipur, we are sorry for them. The Manipur government and the government of Assam, the government of India, central government must give relief materials, medical aids and everything to the victims there. That is a very legitimate right for them. But those cookies bringing here and trying to harbor them as relief came here, we are not going to accept that. We are not going to accept that. We support the pain. We want to give comfort to them right from here. We will raise our voice. And right now, in the heart of the town, we, the ASDC, Fornt, KSA, KNCA, and SDC are saying that give materials, give all the help to Manipur, to the people there, Manipur's brother, Meithi's brothers, Cookie's brothers there. But please don't come here. There's no place for the cookies outside here in Karbila. This is what we want to say. So Jay Kathar saying this continuously is trying to invoke war. It's not going to be accepted by any people in Karbi Anglong. Please be aware, Jay Kathar. This is what we want to say. Thank you.
Jay Kathar